Hello, I want to introduce to you the new ArduBaby that I created. This is the previous version of Arduboy that I created. You can see how different are they. So this is just less than half of the credit card. This one, just less than one credit card. About like this. This one is like this. See, they're very small. So this one runs at 5 volts. You see the circuit here. This one runs at 3.3 volts. Let me take out the parts and let you take a look. So this is a replaceable game button head. All these pins here connected to the game buttons. We can change the game button to something that looks like a joystick with the joystick and replace this one. And then you have the 0.9-inch OLED. This one is blue in color, 7 pins. And you have the circuit itself. Let me take out the battery. So this is the battery. And then this is the battery manager, the charger for the circuit. And it has a 3.3 volt regulator, AMS1117. So this is the volume control. I just take it on top of this headphone jack so I can listen to the game using the headphone and not disturb anyone. This is the pizza speaker. It's very small. So this is the Pro microchip. I have soldered additional pins from D11, D12, D13 and connect it to the daughter board here. So this is the daughter board. All these 3 pins are the extra pins I soldered out from the Pro microchip, the AAT Mega 32U4. And this is a Winbond W25Q128 60 megabytes 128 megabytes flash serial flash memory. So it's connected to the Pro Micro. We can load about 500 games for Arduboy on this chip, and then load anyone without the computer later on. So let's put it back in order. So let's insert the OLED, and then insert the game head for the buttons. So align the pin here. Let me demonstrate some games for you. Oh, game over. Let me show you the bottom. I use an R-grade board to show the bottom. So this is the headphone jack. This is the OLED. Let me show you it will shine. I'll press the reset, and then it will shine. Cycle through the green, red, and blue. And on the other hand, there's nothing, just the USB port for charging and for loading games. Here is the 13-pin head. It will be used to connect to the buttons up there. Also, it's used to flash the bootloader if we need. The first 6 pins will be used to flash the bootloader. Over here is the header for the OLED, and then the power button, on or off, on. Okay, and then this is the reset button. When you press reset, it will go back to this main menu. Okay, power up again. Okay. When you press reset, it will go back to the main menu for you to select the game. Okay, let me select the games. Okay, I loaded a few games, so arcade games, team games. Press the left or right, you cycle through the games. This is the demo game. Go down, you have the music player. So let me flash and show you what's in the music player. It's a demo music. So I put in a volume control here. I can tune up the volume or tune to dead silence. Let's see the music. Okay, let's reset and go back to the main menu. Let me show you the other demo game. Okay, this one is called Flashcart Test. Let's load it. You can show the flashcard info by pressing the A button. Just give you the chip ID. If you press the B button, it will start playing a cartoon. I like this game a lot, Hollow Secret.